Now, see in what problems, the first question, a pole 9 meters 35 centimeters long. A pole length is 9 meters 35 centimeters long. So, was put in a pond to measure the depth. So, this length of a pole means this length of a pipe pole. So, they want to keep in a pond to measure the depth, how much depth is. So, they want to calculate the pond depth. So, here total length 9 meters 35 centimeters. In that, if they keep this pole in the pond, then what happened? 3 meters 87 centimeters of the pole remains outside. This much pole left outside the pond. So, what is the depth of the pond? What is the depth of the pond he is asking. Here total pole length is given. So, what is total pole length? 9 meters and 35 centimeters. If this pole they kept inside the pond to measure depth, 3 meters 87 centimeter pole is outside. This means remaining is inside. Remaining part is inside. So, whatever the part inside, so that is nothing but depth of the pond. So, that shows, that gives our depth of the pond. So, it means what to do? How to find depth of the pond? So, total pole length, in this total pole length, so we have to subtract this 3 meters 87 centimeter, whatever the pole left outside. So, that portion we have to subtract. Then you will get the remaining part, whatever is there inside the pond, that you will get. That is nothing but our depth of the pond. Okay. Now, steps. Pole length. Pole length, here meters and centimeters is given. So, first here meters and here centimeters. 9 meters 35 centimeters. Next, after pole left outside, pole remains outside of water. How much pole left remains outside of water? 3 meters 87 centimeter. Then what is the depth of the pond? Depth of the pond is nothing but whatever the pole inside. So, that length is nothing but our depth of the pond. How you will get? If you subtract from total length the whatever the left remains, so then you will get depth of the pond. Depth of the pond is equal to, now minus it. Find the difference of 5 and 7. It is not possible to minus, smaller minus bigger, take borrow. Here it will decrease by 1, here you will increase by 10. 15 minus 7 is 8. 2 minus 8, again smaller minus bigger. So, we take borrow from the next. So, here it will decrease by 1, here it will increase by 10. 12 minus 8 is 4. 8 minus 3 is 5. 5 meters 48 centimeters. This is nothing but depth of the pond. Okay. Next. Now, second question. A gardener has a pipe length 12 meters 25 centimeters. Pipe length. He is having 12 meters 25 centimeters pipe. Of water the garden. So, to water the garden, but the required length 16 meters 50 centimeters. So, actual this much length he require. So, then he is having 12 meters 25 centimeters only. So, then how much more pipe is needed for the garden? So, for the garden how much more pipe we need? It means from the required, so whatever he is having, that we have to subtract. Then you will get, so more how much requirement, how much, so length of a pipe we require. Okay. Then length of the pipe required. Length of the pipe required 6 meters and centimeters. 16 meters 50 centimeters. Okay. Then length of the pipe having, length of the pipe having. So, how much length of the pipes we are having? So, 12 meters, 25 centimeters. Then, so more length of the pipe we need, more length of the pipe needed. So, that means minus 5, 0 minus 5. So, not possible, smaller minus bigger, take borrow from the next. Here it will decrease by 1 means 4, here increase by 10 means 0 plus 10 is 10. 10 minus 5 is 5, 4 minus 2, 2, 6 minus 2, 4, 1 minus 1, 0 means 4 meters 25 centimeters. This much length of a pipe is needed, 4 meters 25 centimeters. Okay. Now, here what problems? So, in this third one, a building with a flagstaff has a length 19 meters and 75 centimeters. If the height of the flagstaff is 5 meters 15 centimeters, find the length of a building. Total building length he has given. So, with a flagstaff. So, that is 19 meters 75 centimeters. In that, if a flagstaff height means length is 5 meters 15 centimeter, then what is only the building length? So, only building length he is asking. So, what he has given? So, building length with flagstaff is given. So, in the total building length with flagstaff, so if we subtract this length of the flagstaff, then you will get only building length. Only building length means height, that is. Okay. First one, building with flagstaff. How much? 19 meters, here meters, here centimeters. 19 meters 75 centimeters. Okay. Flagstaff height. How much it is? 5 meters, 5 meters we have to take here, 5 meters 15 centimeters. Now, what he is asking? Find the length of a building, only building length, building length. Building length in total means with flagstaff, if flagstaff length if we subtract, then you will get building length. Then 5 minus 5 is 0, 7 minus 1 is 6, 60 centimeters, 9 minus 5 is 4 and 1, 14 meters 60 centimeters. This is building length, building length. Okay. Now, here see, in this question D, during summer vacation, Yashika covered 319 kilometers by air, 270 kilometers 357 meters by car. So, this much distance he covered by air and 270 kilometers 357 meters by car, and after that, so her total journey was 700 kilometers. Then, and in that, so rest of the journey she covered by water. Then how much distance she covered by water? Here two fundamental operations we have to do. What? First we have to find total distance she covered by air as well as car. After finding total distance by air and car, so that total distance, so we have to subtract from 700 kilometers. Then rest of the distance what she covered, so by water, so that you will get. Okay. First what you have to find? First we have to find total distance covered by air and covered by car. Then you will get the sum. Then after that sum, so we have to subtract from 700 kilometers. So then whatever the answer you are getting, that is the distance covered by water. Okay. So solution first. Distance covered by distance covered by air. What is the distance covered by air? Kilometers and meters we have to, kilometers and meters. Kilometers 319 kilometers, here no meters means, so in meters we have 3 zeros. And distance covered by car. Distance covered by car. How much distance? 270 kilometers, 357 meters. Now, distance covered by car and air. Distance covered by car and air. 0 plus 7, 7, 0 plus 5, 5, 0 plus 3, 3. This is in meters. 9 plus 0, 9, 7 plus 1, 8, 3 plus 2, 5. 590 kilometers, 357 meters. This much distance he covered by air and car. Now total distance, what she covered? 700. Total distance she covered is equal to 700 kilometers. 700 kilometers means meters 0. Here this is kilometers, here meters. Do one thing, so leave some space and do. Okay. Here distance, total distance she covered. Covered means travelled. How much? So here kilometers and meters we have to take. Here kilometers, here meters. 700 kilometers, meters zeros. 700 kilometers she covered, distance 700 kilometers, and distance covered by car and air. Covered by car and air. How much distance? 589 kilometers, 357 kilometers. From this total distance, from this distance, if you subtract, then you will get distance covered by water. Distance covered by water. Now all are zeros. Now you have to take carry from here. Here it will decrease by 6, 10. Again if you take here 9, here 10. Again carry here 9, here 10. Again here 9, here 10. Again here 9 and here 10. 10 minus 7, 3. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 3, 6. These are in meters. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 8, 1. 6 minus 5, 1. 110 kilometers, 643 meters distance covered by water. 110 kilometers and 643 meters. Now here convert the following into centimeters. This we have to convert into centimeters. So these questions are from Brain Booster. See here, 48 meters and 62 centimeters. 748 meters are given. So then meters how to convert into centimeters? 48 into 100. So 4800 plus 62, that is 4862 centimeters. 4862 centimeters. Now 16 meters 16 centimeters means, so 1616 centimeters. If you multiply meters with 100, then 1600 you will get 1600 plus 16, 1616. Then, so 90 meters, 35,000 means 9035 centimeters. 9035 centimeters. Now, 1420 centimeters. 1420 centimeters. Okay. So, the complete procedure, so we have to multiply 14 with 100, 14 into 100, 1400, that is 1400, 1400 plus 20, 1420. Okay. Now, so this we have to convert into kilometers. So, the fourth one we have to separate in thousands place. So, then write kilometers, then after that 600 meters. Then separate thousands place 6 and write kilometers, then after that 3 digits in meters. Now, separate fourth digit 5, after that kilometers, and write 0 to 5 means 25 meters. And here 7, separate 7 kilometers and 600 meters, 600 meters. Okay. Now, after this, arrange in columns and add, arrange columns and add. Here kilometers and meters given. First write kilometers here and after that meters. How many kilometers first? 54 kilometers. 74 meters means 074 we have to write. 074, so we have to take. And after that 136. 136 kilometers, 299 meters. Now add. 9 plus 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 means 3 in 1's place, 1 in 10's place. 9 plus 7, 16 plus 1, 17. 17, 7 and 1 here. 2 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1. 2 plus 0 is 2, not 0. 2 plus 0, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. 373 meters. Now, 6 plus 4, 10. 10 means 0 and take carry over on 10's place. 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 3, 9. And this one. This is kilometer. 190 kilometer, 373 meters. Okay. Now, the next one. Here 3 quantities given that we have to add 1, 2 and 3. Kilometers and meters. First kilometers and after that meters. In the first 8 kilometers, 100 meters. Next 15 kilometers, 275 meters. Next 7 kilometers, 374 meters. Now add. 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 0, 9. 7 plus 7, 14, 4 here and 1 take carry over on 10's place. 3 plus 2, 5, 6, 7. 749 meters. Then after that 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 7, 20. 20 means 0 in 1's to carry over on 10's place of kilometer. 2 plus 1 is 3. 30 kilometers, 749 meters. Okay. Next question, find the difference. 83 kilometers 275 and 80 kilometers 577 meters. Kilometers and meters difference we have to find. First kilometers here and meters. How many kilometers first? 83 kilometers 275 meters and 80 kilometers 577 meters. So, difference we have to find. Difference. 5 minus 7 smaller minus bigger, we cannot minus. So, take borrow, here it will decrease by 1, increase by 10. 15 minus 7 is 8. 6 minus 7 smaller minus bigger, again we cannot minus this one. Then take borrow, here it will decrease by 1, here increase by 10. 16 minus 7 is 9. Then 1 minus 5 we cannot minus. So, again take borrow from here, decrease by 1, increase by 10. 11 minus 5 is 6, these are in meters. 2 minus 0 is 2, 8 minus 8 is 0, no need to take that 0. 2 kilometers 698 meters. Okay. Now, kilometers and meters again. Kilometers, meters. 78 kilometers 623 meters. Now, 73 kilometers 190 meters. Now difference. 3 minus 0 is 3. Then smaller minus bigger means take borrow, decrease by 1, increase by 10. 12 minus 9 is 3. 5 minus 1 is 4. This is meters. 8 minus 3 is 5. 7 minus 7 0. No need to take. 5 kilometers 433 meters. This is the difference. Here. Fifth question, first read the question. So, Mary 1 meter 15 centimeters tall and her friend Larry is 1 meter 30 centimeters tall. Here 1 meter is 15, 1 meter is 30. So, Mary height is 1 meter 15 centimeters and Larry height is 1 meter 30 centimeters tall. Who is taller and by how much? If we compare these two heights, 1 meter same, in centimeter Larry height is more. It means Larry is taller than, here Larry is taller than Mary. And how much he is asking? How much he is asking means difference we have to find. So, Larry height meters and centimeters. 1 meter 30 centimeters. Then Mary height (1 meter 15 centimeters). How much taller? Means difference we have to find. So, 0 minus 5 we cannot find, take borrow, it will decrease by 1, it will increase by 10. 10 minus 5 is 5, 2 minus 1 is 1 centimeters and 1 minus 1 is 0. Then how much taller? 15 centimeter taller. So, Larry is 15 centimeters taller than Mary. Okay. Here see in this fourth question, B question here, 78 kilometers 623 meters we took here 623. So, do not take 623, here 19 meters is given, 19 meters. Here 78 kilometers 19 meters you have to take, and the second one, so he has given that 46 meters and 5 centimeters, 46 meters and 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters here also. So, 78 meters and 19 centimeters, 19 centimeter. So, this second question, so we took 78 kilometers 623 meters and 73 kilometers 190 meters, like this we took. So, actually it is given that 78 meters 19 centimeters, 46 meters and 5 centimeters. So, that you take difference. So, correct this question and do by yourself. So, these are the similar questions and do minus, do. So, find the difference, that is your answer. Okay.